So the fuses would be located under this cap. Just push this tab in, pull the cap off, and you've got all types of fuses and relays in here. And this is where the majority of them are. But you got the fuse panel relay fuses here. These are relays. And so if you're having issues with different things, this is where you can come to. This has the diagrams that kind of tell you which fuse should be in which location and what they do. See, R6 is supposed to be for the horn. So if your horn's not working, you would want to check R6. And this orients as when it's on the cap. So when you lift, pick it up like that, see it's even got the arrow at the front. So we would know if we're looking for R6, we're looking for one over here that controls that, which would be that one generally. And that's how we would look for that, and that would be for your horn. And then other things for like the hazards and so forth, they're in this fuse right here. But you have kind of a reference here, and also looking at your owner's manual and so forth. But that's how you check those fuses if you need to get access to them. And then just wind the tabs up on the back, and then just snap it into place. And that's how you put that back on. You do have some more fuses right down here. And we also have a diagram what they do, and that's for the heated seats, is what it's looking like. But we have a few more fuse relays right down here to look into if there was some other issues. And then again, just make sure the locking tack on the back and snap it back into place. And that's how you would check your fuses if you're having some other issues of things not working. Just start with the fuses and then go to the switch or whatever you're looking at that may need to be fixed. Thanks for watching.